So this is a tutorial how to get onto the Base Network. Remember, the Base Network is Coinbase new layer 2 solution with cheap fees. We need to realize how big this is, because before, Ethereum's crazy gas prices would stop a lot of mainstream, a lot of big investors being able to do things on the blockchain. But with Coinbase, which already has millions of users, it helps bring the retail investors, any person, into layer 2. So the potential is great, as well as the Base Network, like Solana meme coins and things have been popping on Solana, as well as Base. Base is just as cheap as Solana now, and it's a lot of things. And of course, you want to be aware with meme coins, your aim is to get some profit and then put it in less risky things. And if you follow my Telegram, you can see some different topics in the Telegram discussion with different good projects in the stock market and in the crypto. But what I had to do using PancakeSwap and my MetaMask account. So my MetaMask account connect to PancakeSwap, and I turned my BNB to USDC. And then I can use CyberSwap, and you click on cross chain, connect your BNB and the Base Network, and then I was able to transfer my USDC to the Base Network. Once that is done, I think it said 3 minutes. Once that is done, then I can go to swap, and I'll be able to connect to, let's see if it's already done, the Base Network, and get some of the ones that I've been looking at, like BOGE and some other ones. Let's have a look if it's already here. Or was it USDC? So it's already here. Now I was gonna get what was it, BOGE. So I can click here. If you can't find it here, oh, I've already put it on here actually, imported it, but you could just go to Coinbase, CoinGecko, get the token address and paste it here. I wonder if it's already pasted. Yeah, so this was one I pasted. Let's see if it's still, yeah, and we got BOGE there. So I can see if I click and approve, because I basically need to be in all these networks so you can transfer. I think I need more on Solana network. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna need some for gas, isn't it? So I'm gonna we're gonna need some ETH for gas. So let me go back. But that's basically how we do it.